Hello everyone, how is everyone doing? Aigi Saturday di mathayam sana lan gi Sunday was better. Adugi wari do ai dum lizara age. Saturday numit se sige se evening na imanabi manakta chatline mado first pregnancy or ba first trimester adugi masano ngai te lek pala o almaina tawbagi ai se baba chatle chaka amta sadri mangonda adum moida adum charage na haire ngai bo ina ai matha saba wari dum lirage Saturday numit se ai ayukta personal trainer appointment set tawbane ba yam wana adu so ai se chatre because aigi hangdong yumda chom mana malai chomski sina full name ne chom kawe ko ne chom mana moise nga pe ngai de dum pizza gi dram ni nga maru yaw bacha ba se dum haite ba malaga properly ga tara pizza be wane ba adu gi do akoi papana nga pizza ne na sum accidentally maru ma yaw ghra jane nga pizza ba da adu chom na taraga kano se maru se pan ghra ba adu dai di mase ayukta gi dum chakcha ba do yadre de gi na re ba mase ado matham sare ai saija leibani na helpless oi ba do natadi id yamna action oriented type ne ba khangam de ba tawga da ba do aduga tawbo do yadram ni na adugi do aina ngam da ba ni ai ngonda prok cha e ba adum ai gym ga dum chat pa do ngamdre adagi throughout the day I was trying to contact vet kanano ma chat pina ba home visit type adagi kanyo jom jo aina handle tawdra di mazu kaya easy oidam ne ba khara pring chongal le ba masaga yam phai ba aduna mado harness kumba do changani na Instagram taraga aina pet mania na store ma lemni mam su dum khangbiram gani ado hana su ai dum pot lawne mar ta adu moi do home delivery hoji kandi tawdre na hai bane ado aina request tawbadagi moi do moi ji sayam nun tawbane ba ado moi do out of their way chatlaga harness kai ka do thinbire ba ado I am harawe moi na adu tawbibagi adagi adui matungda na vet amaka uchina doctor menan na mazu han ai contact pau phaunagram ne ba hana su treatment tawbagi lakhrabane ba khoyum da ado ma do amuka chatpirege na yare eba ado ma chatle admain tawraga last the lauthokre chongi kano do ado ma do almost like more than a day di dum ma cha ba yadra ga yam wana sigi maru su ucharak ke ba adu atum ba na thin na ga yam wana khangam doino degi ma di mabuk su yam lam gan bane ba aduna ma do yam na waram jane do ai gi appointment kai ka do loin tok tho ga mawanda priority piraga adu magi problems is solve taw gi do adu mo harau balai te doctor man ga pet man ya ga ai moina admai na wa kan da smai na wa kan da mating pambi bado as moidi aina sige matang da gratitude feel tau base moi imagine bao tau banga moi I was so happy ado stress to pura kokpai ta ta ba while whole day I was suffering so much adum thakpa cha ba kokase dum ngaur ba ne ba chomgi stories na yam pik pa se ne ba chom se kano tha su da gai ma je mama na chin ba ta haura natraga Mino hundok piramira khangde kanada sorok mayada phangmane ba degi aina puraga lakpane ba mase hingaroena dukan da cha ba thakpa ju kaimta haitri degi hangdong macha picture di orphan hangdong di matom da pee and poop su tawba haita bane bangam da bane ba lasing achot pa warm water kitang lukewarm water lupaga lasing duna mathun daga lenga aina ga poo and pee ga tawhalli ne ba adumai taraga adegi solid ke ka cha baju haitri ado akoi gi nakan gi hangdong macha pokpa mama ma leibadagi mangondagi sangom do thakhalaga adumai taraga yam wan hingjara khibane ba adegi kona di masi amna healthy orga masaga yam kalle ba kano minaga phabaga se panang ngamde ba aina khatanga pharaga ya ba hidak pizaba gumba se gi wadani ko aina haijar se ado anyway aduga mai maming chom thon gisna chomski dagi shorten taraga chom tawrine ba the chomski se Noam Chomsky na American professor of linguistics malai bane ba ade the chom se kadar taw ba mai ba angang macha mi gi angang gi type ta ga kaina da kapsanaraga yamna nusi ba phawhan ba yam hai ba aduna masidi language mi gi su yam hai yam linguistic talent yam lein aina Chomsky do ningsanga aga Chomsky tholaga adudagi chom ana sum on gi bagi wane ba yam nokning bane chom se ado chomgi wana si oire aduga aina chatlise amu hajaraga aigi manabi first pregnancy oiba aina kanodo bridesmaid ko oraga bali chatlubado adugi videos dum yawbaneba ado mado first trimester se khara kano masa nungai taba moody oiba adagi adumbado khara problem tawre adagi my husband do work ki kadai namda jatkhiba atopa country da aduna matomda lebado ai sangbo oina chatpane adagi ma nungai tabado kai kamai tawi hangbo khotpa hojikta aina hojik painting ama uchagido adumana ye ineba yamna artistic oibani ado aido chak charaktamna mana thongbi lerame adugido ai chare yawbaga adagi nungai taba khotaba myam discuss tawre adu loraga movie night tawrasena cinema ama yenge ado ai saiza kanam ta haiza hoge first trimester habdi week 1 to week 12 fause physical and emotional changes yam tawa matamne ba mother to be da aduna fatigue habdi waba aduga nausea oning ba khotpa adagi mood swing kai ka se yamna common ne and it's absolutely natural and normal aduna moise plenty of rest tawgadamni adagi balanced diet chagadamni adagi prenatal vitamins chagadamni and unhealthy habit smoking gumba alcohol tauba natraga even kwa chaba gumba se yam phatte ko yam baby da so yam effects lay adagi kona su dum DNA damage ki kano evidence ka sulaiba but anyway mother say yamna hormonal changes adai physical adu me adu tawbagi yamna waba matamne so friend oigera relative oigera or partner oigera akoina kitang support tawbibada it means a lot to them aduga sigi video da so adum example oina dum ugani ba mase yamna moody ga oraga nungayam dabado maga time spend ga taraga mana pamba kai ka da tawibadagi makon ga to kanna laukhala ga yamna ga haraudana mood to completely dum change tawgareba adum last dum harau na dum thanameba ado Sunday oigre khobani ayukta 9 am adai da hogatle thengna dum adagi rice paper rolls seminar se na amai manabi da lactring da Vietnamese rice paper rolls yam hawe yamna su healthy oi aduga semba da su yam lai tawbu thaba khara change habe wane but mi ani or ahum adumanga yausan tardi yam lai na yam thuna 1.5 hours something adumanga 1 hour da gadum ngambazani ba plapna koi 1.5 hour change akoi bani tawminabada adu stay hours sisina tofu do fry tawbane ba ade amasna yerum fry taraga slice tawbaneba adagi sigisina hojikiduna sausage type to chicken ga minced pork ka galangal lana have do aduga lemongrass ka ginger garlic ka onion ga chili ga paste semaga adu mix tawraga matum taraga air fryer da sausage sembaneba aduna ain tawbani adagi another pork slice na pork to phutpaneba tilau tangkhai ma thae adagi ginger thae aduga salt ka tawaga phutlineba pork to adu swai gi pork yam thuna su mulle fat yam yaw basu oide aduga yam soft oye manipur gi duga kitan khene yam thuna mulleba adumaina hojiki ginger ga onion ga salt ka thak paduna manam do chatkhiba adu manam do hot leba aduna adumaina phutlineba adagi nakandagi prawn azu kitsol kitang hapaga phutlineba adagi vegetables ina any dum use to yaba yae do Vietnamese ki da mint se mint yaure de coriander yaure de lettuce yaure dagi thabi dusu slice taraga yaure adagi gajar ne ba se yaure se de sauces te anything you like to sembe akoina size soy sauce ka chili sauce ka taraga chabane adagi asomgi white urisina rice vermicelli noodles to neba aduga rice paper se two types phangba ba adum khara thik oiba de thin oiba akoi manibgi manau pa se lae ma kuidri lakpa ado pe ma school class 11 neba ado kanu jimana rice paper le pas apa do ina le la es hoidana aduna apa base athaba duna chothal laga wrap tawbada nungaraga aduna perfect tabare but apa base soidana leira adi or athaba do phangdra di solution leba khoi first plate dry oiba chothan bi mahana thammedana aduga adi mathakta rice paper do ising da amma chothan bam second rice paper na chothan ba do oedana aduga thamaga asmaina wrap tawyamneba double tawraga wrap tawyamneba thin rice paper roll oregana adu si se yam haubani mayam try tabiyo. It's very healthy, full of fiber and protein. Agi imanabi gi wari su yam nungsi my man hapa se mana katan chui like ba de na chai biri adu akoi lapra de ang se thaba yam phai kon ga phengbi dana ga yam taw adu anyway imanabi se ma se machanupi ahan ne ba aduna yumge responsibility so yamna dum puedo. Contrary to popular belief, mina di mi mayam na di ayamba na di pesa pa macanga ta mapanda atopang country da US or America or even Europe adumay chat na kan ba miyam lay adumay na nate lara ba sudum hot na bayam kan ba miyam na lay yam na adumay na lak na bayam lay ado imana bisu kanone farmer family day ne ba panda farming tawraga hingzaba ne ba dum imana bise moigi farm gi plot ama yolaga saiza tharakpa ne ba degi masu like tamingai da dum thabak tawraga self fund ga sum tawzaraga adumaina mi orakpa ne ba aduga manau pa se hojik saiza kanoda 2 years suramba male ai kau thokre aduda saiza mana sponsor tawraga like tamhalli ba hojik se class 11 kai ne angang se duma se English ka khara degi schooling se magi method of teaching and learning adegi aduda myam da khenarak pa sai sama je khitang wab jane aduna marks se khara neme aduna kano se mache se am sorry hojikan se ado aduna adu oire adegi hojik se sumaina leire ado ai ga maga thengnarak khibasena 2015 adai da khoi se housemates or roommates or so the day like tamba angang sing or even visitors housemates ana punna apartment amada or townhouse ta punna mayam se different countries se gilapa mayam se adumaina dum laimineba either separate kada or roommate oina lebisulai. In this way akoi money su save ta way plus sumaina mi mawong mapam gi mayam belonging to different cultures, ethnicities, aduga countries adumaina thengna base amarom da yamna nungaye habidi perspective yamna broaden tawe and akoi culture gi wari wata yamna exchange tawe and we also exchange a lot of food kaze share tawraga adugumba mayam se yamna nungaye explore tawmina base each other's cultures and everything ado I say life the Japanese galaminare, Korean galaminare, American galaminare, Italian galaminare, Brazilian galaminare, Colombian galaminare, Chinese galaminare, Burmese galaminare, Nepali galaminare. Adum mawong mayam se ayam nungay ba degi tinabasu missing se hoji bholo ina tinari and adumaina thengna giba mayam do because we met at a time when we were all struggling aduna mateng ga yamna pangna gibanina hoji bhau ba aigi best friends adum oiri ba ayam ba na moy mayam do adune wari se. So it's really nice to meet people belonging to different cultures. Aduga thong ba thakpa degi chana thakna bisu dum share tawraga dumaina chun tawrak panina how bacha basu hengat le adegi ai ju phani am thong ba haye cuisine mayam se aduga ai sometimes ai Indian or Meitei style ga atopa cuisine ga mix taw basu dum hotnaye hadi I do love cooking is one of my hobbies aduna adumaina ano puthok badusu sumaina pun ba khot pasidagi mi myam thengna basidagi yamna anoba inspiration yam phangne yam nungai. Adu sige se charani aduga chabaloraga pothaba oina Switch Nintendo game khar sanarani overcook kak sana se adu game khar sanarani and adu loraga imanabi se ama imanabi na Chinese ne Beijing dagi adu mabani se karaoke yam pame ba ꯑꯗꯣ ꯀꯦꯔꯣꯀꯦꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯗꯤ ꯁꯨꯡꯇꯧ ꯇꯧꯗꯕꯅꯦꯕ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯃꯣꯏꯅ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯄꯥꯝꯕꯅꯤꯅ ꯇꯧꯁꯦꯅ ꯇꯧꯔꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ just disclaimer ꯀꯣꯛ ꯆꯤꯛꯄ ꯌꯥꯎꯕꯁꯨ ꯌꯥꯏ ꯀ꯭ꯔꯣꯁꯤꯟꯒꯨꯝꯕꯁꯦ ꯔꯦꯗꯤꯗ ꯊꯝꯕꯤꯌꯨ and for those who are listening with earphones or headphones volume khara lower tawbiyu sum just precaution oina okay adudi mathang adum ucharaage aise karaoke gi isai marakta wa adum ngangjar aroige mathang adum hapkhibane memory su oina ba ado phajana kaisu saktabni akoi ahai ba amta none of us are professionals sum harau ba nungai bagi mood nungai na ba tawbagi wane ado mayam su dum notice rakani ba sum tek khalak pa adegi khon ga sum kan khalak pa khwai adegi khon kan khalak pa da ai ki imanabi kano pregnant yamna thawai nungai am da ba masa nungai am da ba mi dune ba ado adum yengo ngak tang moi se haidi support tawbir ga moi gi kamaina change tawge do sigi ai nga sai so haijagi ba dumaina video sida dum example oina ubane ba so guys manakta nakanda surrounding da pregnant or me lerdi please support them angang yok pa se village ama change do ne thaina dum haina ba do thaina dagi okay ready to start crying Hello. Check it. Mic check. Hello. Baby wants to sing karaoke. I don't know how to sing yet. Oh, I know the song. Only then we learn song. If I don't like this, it doesn't. Look at the stars. Know how they shine for you. And everything you do. For you, I make myself dry. will shine for you. Look, I 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 will shine. Look, I will shine for you. And all the things that you do. Tell me something, girl. Are you happy in this modern world? Or do you need more? Is there something else you're searching for? I'm falling. In all the good times I find myself longing for change. And in the bad times I fear myself. Tell me something's boy. And you tired, try to fill that void. Or do you need more? And need heart giving you so hardcore. I'm falling. In all the good times I find myself longing for change. And in the bad times I fear myself. I'm on the deep end, watching the diving. I never miss the ground. Crash to the surface where they get hurt. We fall from the shallow now. In the shallow, in the shallow, in the shallow, we fall from the shallow now. Oh. I'm on the deep end, watch as I Calling the rain. Oh baby, baby. Oh baby, baby. Oh baby, baby. How was I supposed to know that something wasn't right? Oh baby, baby. I shouldn't have let you go. And now you're out of sight. How you want it to be? Tell me, baby, 'cause I need to know now. Oh, because my loneliness is killing me, and I must confess, I still believe, when I'm with you, I lose my mind. Give me a sign, hit me, baby, one more time. Even my words is you. Boy, you got me blinded. Oh baby, baby, there's nothing I don't do. It's not the way I planned it. Show me how you want it to be. Tell me, baby, 'cause I need to know now. Oh, because my loneliness is killing me, and I must confess, I still believe, and when I'm with you, I lose my mind. Give me a sign, hit me, baby, one more time. Yeah, baby, baby. Oh baby, baby. Oh baby, baby. How was I supposed to know? Oh baby, baby. I shouldn't have let you go. I must confess, it's killing me now. Don't you know I still believe that you would be here and give me a sign. Hit me, baby, one more time. ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯐꯩꯅꯦ
beneath my feet, sat by the river and it made me complete. Oh, simple thing, where have you gone? I'm getting old and I need something to rely on. Tell me when you're gonna let me in. I'm getting tired and I need somewhere to begin.
Isay sakpada nungdang oigre mayam su loi ware masu ware sidai di flat chatlaga dum pothana tumba yare khoi su hannaba tawre aigi manabi sina I drop taramani adu ngasi gi decide dum loi salage. Thanks for watching guys, see you next time.